In the vibrant and family-oriented community of Coppell, Texas, homeowners take pride in maintaining beautiful, secure, and energy-efficient homes. When it comes to home upgrades, door replacement is one project that might seem simple, but many Coppell residents are learning that professional door installation far outweighs the risks and hidden costs of a DIY approach. If you're considering a new front, patio, or interior door, here's why more homeowners in Coppell are choosing expert help over going it alone. Precision and proper fit the first time. One of the most common mistakes in DIY door installations is improper alignment. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can cause major issues, like drafts, difficulty opening and closing, and a shortened door lifespan. Professional installers have the tools and experience to measure, level, and seal the door correctly the first time. In Coppell, where climate fluctuations are common, a precise installation is crucial to avoid air leaks and energy loss. Enhanced energy efficiency. Poorly installed doors can let conditioned air escape and allow outdoor air to seep in. In Coppell's hot summers and chilly winters, that can result in a spike in utility bills. Energy efficiency is a top concern for residents, and a professional door installer knows how to insulate properly using the right materials and weather stripping to create a tight seal. Professionally installed energy-efficient doors help keep your home comfortable year-round and contribute to long-term savings on heating and cooling costs. Increased home security. The entry door is one of the most important security features of any home. A DIY installation may overlook proper reinforcement or fail to install the frame and lock set correctly, leaving your home vulnerable to break-ins. Professionals not only install doors with reinforced frames and secure locking systems but also ensure everything is aligned for optimal functionality and durability. Many Coppell homeowners cite peace of mind as a key reason for choosing pros over DIY. Curb appeal and property value. Coppell's real estate market is competitive, and buyers take note of the little details. An improperly installed door, crooked, misaligned, or with visible gaps, can diminish your home's curb appeal and overall value. On the other hand, a sleek, modern, and professionally installed door can give your home an instant facelift. Whether it's a custom wooden front door or a contemporary glass patio slider, proper installation enhances appearance and increases resale value. Time savings and reduced stress. Door installation isn't just a matter of hanging a door on hinges. It involves removing the old frame, adjusting openings, leveling the door, adding insulation, securing hardware, and sealing the edges. Without experience, this can take days and lead to frustration or costly errors. Coppell homeowners with busy schedules prefer to let trained technicians handle the heavy lifting, ensuring the project is completed efficiently, correctly, and without stress. Warranty protection. Most door manufacturers provide a warranty, but only if the product is installed by a licensed professional. If you choose DIY installation and something goes wrong, you might void the warranty and have to pay out of pocket for repairs or replacements. Professional installers offer labor warranties in addition to product warranties, giving Coppell residents added protection and confidence in their investment. Final thoughts. While DIY door installation might seem like a cost-saving move, it can lead to hidden expenses, compromised security, and reduced energy efficiency. Professional door installation offers long-term benefits, from improved comfort and security to a boost in home value. For Coppell homeowners looking to enhance their living space, professional door installation is clearly the smarter, safer, and more efficient choice. It's not just about getting a door installed, it's about getting it done right.